The air element is related with the respiratory system because it is related with the exchange of the gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. And it is also related with the prana. Because of the prana, we feel alive. So it is related with the feeling of aliveness which we feel. Then the fire tattva is connected with the temperature of the body, the digestion. So if our minds are healed, it is peaceful, it is calm, then we are able to digest the food very easily. Because when our mind is digested or healed, we become present. And in this present, all the unconditional love of the divine is flowing and it is healing us completely. So when our digestion is good, then our metabolism will improve. Metabolism are of two types, catabolism and anabolism. Now, catabolism, it breaks down all the unwanted stuff from the body. It heals, it removes, it filters, it cleanses. So I can say it breaks down all the negative information, overthinking, unforgiveness, etc. The stress, worry, the fears, the doubts, all the negative samskaras from the mind and the negative suppressed emotions and the impulses and all the negative mechanisms. It will heal from within and it will cleanse the energies. So the divine helps us till we are in control and in balance. But if we have gone overboard, so everything depends upon our how much our mind is cleansed. If our mind is very clearly cleansed, then because of the presence and the light of awareness, we are able to see the way very clearly. So we will be self-guided and we will be connected to the intuition, to our intuition, and we will be able to see the way clearly. We will be able to discern rightly from wrong, what is this right or wrong, and we will be able to choose wisely, we will be able to make good decisions, and we will be able to respond also very clearly. But when we are in this chaotic mind, so then what happens? It's like a veil of ignorance. We are not connected to the light or the knowingness. So there will be a darkness and there will be an ignorance. And from that space, what happens? We are away from our intuition and we can get misguided. We misunderstand, we misinterpret. So from this space, we can't see clearly. So what happens? We make wrong choices and wrong decisions because our discernment has gone for a toss. So our responses naturally will be faulty. And we know what happens when we make wrong choices. It's such a long method of going about things. It takes away a lot of time, energy, money to rectify things and restart again. It's not easy. So before, if we can try to be present, then everything will fall in place. And what happens? We are able to be in control and we are able to help ourselves. Otherwise, we are out of control and we feel helpless and we feel weak, we feel unstable, shaky, and that will block all the energy flow which is flowing steadily. So, the energy flow will become unsteady. So, what happens? It disconnects us from our feeling body, that is our senses, our wisdom. our intuition, our inner voice. So we are unable to recognize or see clearly or listen or unable to receive the instructions due to breakdown in communication. Breakdown in communication with the divine.